Hello and welcome to GTU Paper Solution Engineering Drawing November 2012. Myself Arpan Pandit and I am from Atmiya College. We will see how we can solve engineering drawing paper briefly. Have a look at the question number 1. This question is about engineering curves. In this, it has been clearly mentioned that a ball is thrown in air and it reaches to the height of 70 meters and then it falls to the ground at a distance of 120 meters from the point of throw. Draw the path of this ball assuming it as parabola by tangent method and take suitable scale. Now, it has been clearly mentioned that it is a parabola. The all other given data is for misconceptions only. We need to just focus on the height, which is given as 70 meters, and the total distance is as 120 meters. But we might be thinking that how we can draw 70 meter and 120 meter on a paper. For that, we need to take suitable scale. If we look, then 1 meter is equal to 1000 mm. Then our scale should be 1 gem 1000. It should be clearly mentioned on the paper, top of the paper, where you are solving this problem, that scale is taken as 1 gem 1000. Now again, one more thing is clearly specified in this, that this method is to be done only by the tangent method only. Now when we are looking at the tangent method, it should be noticed that the height to be drawn twice the given, which means that we need to draw the height of 140 meters instead of 70 meters. Though and though only we can draw parabola by tangent method. Now we will see briefly how we can draw parabola by tangent method. First of all, we will write down about the given data. Given data, height is given as 70 meters and distance travelled is given as 120 meters. As discussed earlier, we need to mention scale one gem 1000 clearly. We are using tangent method. That is why height would be 2 into 70, which means that 140 mm, and base would be 120 mm. So this is our given data. Now we will draw as per the tangent method. Now for the tangent method or rectangle method, base would be same. Means first of all we need to draw the base. Base is given as 120 meter, which means that we need to draw a horizontal line of 120 meter. I will take midpoint of it, which means that at 60 meters I have taken the midpoint. Take perpendicular line as a center line, mark it as center line. Mark it as center line. Give this both point AB Now take 140 is the height. On the center line, mark point at 140 mm. Name it as C. Join AC and BC. Join AC and BC. Now measure the length of AC and BC. It comes around 155 mm. On both the sides is come around 155 mm. Now we need to divide AC and BC into 10 equal parts, but it would be inconvenient to take parts of 155 mm, hence we are using line division method. I hope you know the line division method. If you don't know, then I will show you. We need to take partition of 10, so we will draw a line which would be in the multiplication to the 10. Hence I will draw a line of 50 mm at any angle and divide it with the 5 mm division each. I have divided these divisions into 5 equal parts. Now name it as O. Join OA, and parallel to that only take the projections. Take the projections like this. Now you have got visibly 10 equal parts. You have got 10 equal parts. Name it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. On the opposite side, same method would be implemented. If it is 50 mm is inconvenient, then you can draw a line of 100 mm and 10 mm each division. Name it as O dash. Join O dash B and take parallel line to O dash B. So in this you can clearly see the partitions. In this you can see clearly partitions. Name it from the upper side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. Now join line 1 to 1. Join 1 to 1. Two to 2 point. 3 to 3. 4 to 4. 5 to 5, 6 to 6, 7 to 7, 8 to 8, 9 to 9 finally. So as you can see that on the tangent portion you have got parabolic shape automatically. When you measure this distance, it would come around 70 mm, which is our required height. Highlight it so that you can clearly see the curve. Give the dimension. This height is we have achieved is 70 mm. And the base length is 120 mm. So this is how you can draw parabola using tangent method. We will see again how it works. First of all, in the given data, the height is given as 70 mm, the distance traveled is given as 120 mm. Actually, as if you look at the sum, then you will find that there is some given that the ball is thrown in the air and it has traveled so and so distance. That for the misconceptions only. At the last of the problem, it has been clearly mentioned that the curve is parabola and you need to draw this by tangent method. So that's why we are writing the given data. Now we are thinking that how we can draw 70 meter and 120 meter line on the paper. So that's why I have taken the scale as 1 meter is equal to 1000 mm. That's why scale is equal to 1 gem 1000. Now when we are looking at tangent method, in tangent method the given height would be always 2 times the given height. Means over here the given height is 70 mm, which means that we need to draw a height of 140 mm. So that's why base would be 120 mm. Now take the base length as 120 mm, take midpoint of it. From the midpoint, mark point as 140 mm, which is the height. Join AC and BC. Measure AC and measure BC. You will find that its dimension is 155 mm, which is not convenient to take 10 equal parts. So that's why we have used line division method. In this you can draw a line at any angle but in the multiplication to the 10. So that's why I have drawn the line of 100 mm and divided it into 10 equal parts, which means that 10 mm each division. Name it O dash, join O dash B, take parallel line to the O dash B and you will get your desired point. On one side, give the nomenclature from the bottom to top 1 2 3 up to 9, and on the other side give nomenclature top to bottom, which means that 1 to 9. Now join 1 point to 1 point, 2 to 2, 3 to 3 and so on to the 9. You will get automatically a tangent parabolic shape. Highlight it with the dark pencil and you will measure and you will get it as the height given, which is 70 mm or 70 meter. So this is how you can draw a parabola using tangent method. Now we will see the next method. This sum is of projections of line. In this, it has been given that a AB line is 80 mm long, which means that true length is given as 80 mm. Now another portion is given, location of point A is given. Point A is above HP and 20 mm in front of VP, which means that point A would be 15 mm above XY line and 20 mm below XY line, while point B is 50 mm above HP and 60 mm in front of VP. Then we need to draw the projections, find true inclination with line HP and VP. Now we will see how we can take the projections. First of all, in this we will write given data. As in the projections of line, the given data is very important. So first of all, we will write the given data. AB is equal to true length given as 80 mm. A 15 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. Then point B's location is given 50 mm above HP and